Hi friends, and welcome back to the Lamely Garden. I'm Gleesy, and yo, first of all, I ain't dressed for the garden today. I just have garden stuff that I need to do. I just got home, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get this stuff done, even though I don't look appropriate for the garden. Got my shoulders all out and stuff. But what I wanted to do is go ahead and get my potatoes planted. So I have Yukon Gold potatoes, and I bought seed potatoes. But yeah, so you see they have like the eyes on them. So I have 5 Yukon Golds, and then that one really need to get in. And then I have some Huckleberry Gold. These are like purple, or I think they're considered blue potatoes. But look at that. It's so pretty. So I want to go ahead and get these planted. And when I tell y'all that planting potatoes is the easiest thing, I mean it's the easiest thing. Because literally all I'm going to do is put this in a grow bag and leave it alone. So when I put my soil in my grow bags, I fertilize the soil as well. I will have to water this stuff in. I'm not going to do that today because, like I said, I'm not dressed appropriately for the garden. But I just wanted to get these planted because I feel like the longer I wait, I just keep pushing stuff off. So I just want to get it done. All right, so let's go to the grow bag. Okay, so last year I grew my potatoes in grow bags, not in the ground. So these are what they look like. Okay. So these are my grow bags that I intend to grow in. And what I'm going to do is just kind of mix this soil around. And I'm not even going to dig holes. I'm literally just going to push it down like 4 or 5 inches. And then as they grow, I'll just keep adding soil. Now, there's a difference if you have like indeterminate potatoes versus determinate. And I don't really know how to explain it. I think it's indeterminate. You don't have to keep adding soil. Determinate, you do, because they grow as the potatoes grow off the plant as they go up. Yeah, and when you do plant them, you just want to make sure that the eye, which is the part that's growing, y'all, my hand's ashy again, is pointing upwards. So you can see the potato down there. And I'm just going to cover it over. And then tomorrow I will come back and water these in. So you saw me put 3 in here. And this one, this is actually older soil. You can actually see how much better looking this soil is. The soil in the other bag is new soil. There's too much dirt in there. Excuse me. Too much soil. So let's go to a different bag. Let's go to this one. Oh, y'all done saw my crazy shoes. Yeah, let's do this one because I can easily take some out and put it over there. This has a lot of soil in it too, but whatevs. While we're talking, y'all, I'm getting some peach trees. I finally convinced my husband that we have the space to put a peach tree. So I saw these trees at like Lowe's, and I was gonna get one. It was a contender, Georgia contender peach, and it got like good reviews, so why not? I'm just trying to see how far from the bottom we are. So we're like 6 inches from the bottom. So I'm gonna put the huckleberry potatoes in here. So same thing, plant it with the eyes facing upward. 1, 2, oopsie, and 3. Let me make this go down some more. Oh, did I break it? No. And that's it. So the huckleberry are in here. The Yukon Gold are in here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put the rest of them. I'm trying to figure out what I want to put them in. I think I'm gonna put them in this one here. Yeah. Isn't that cute? It's a little carrot. Well, I'll take it out. And y'all, that is how easy it is to plant potatoes. And like literally, potatoes don't want you to do a whole bunch. Ooh, that's a bad angle. Potatoes don't want you to do a whole bunch of fuss after them. Like I said, I fertilize these. Not for that, but I put compost in the grow bag with the soil, and I put the potatoes in there, and I probably won't really do anything. Maybe once I start to see green growth, I'll fertilize it, but then that's it. Like I don't do much with my potatoes, and every year I get a really, really, really good harvest. So planting potatoes is probably one of the easiest things that you can do, and you get a lot of calories from those potatoes, like, and they can store and last for a while. So if you have grow bags, just throw some soil in it, plant some seed potatoes, or even potatoes that you have at home that you bought from the store that have already started to chit, the little growth on them. You can plant those, and then eventually you will have some potatoes. All right, plant some potatoes. If you have planted potatoes in the past, let me know, what is your favorite kind. The Huckleberry Gold are new to me. I just think they looked pretty, so that's the reason that I grew them. But Yukon Gold, I'm very familiar with. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't, like, subscribe, join the Lamely. I will see you guys in my next video. All you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.